This video is about how to use OneDrive. Some of the actions you may need to accomplish while at home are saving a new file from Word Client or other Office 365 program to OneDrive, editing a file that is currently saved on OneDrive within the Word Client or other Office 365 program, editing a file that is currently saved on OneDrive within Word Online or other Office 365 online program, downloading and editing a non-Office type file that is stored on OneDrive, uploading or saving a non-Office type file to OneDrive. Let's start by saving a new file that you've created from Word Client to OneDrive. You will need to save the file locally first, then upload it to OneDrive online. Select File, Save As. Then click Browse. For this example, I will save this file to the desktop and give the file a name. Then click Save. The file is now saved locally. To save this file to OneDrive online, I will need to upload the file. To do so, open a web browser and navigate to portal.office.com. Log in with your SVSU credentials. Choose your work or school account if given the option. Click the cloud icon that is the OneDrive online app. OneDrive will open and display a list of your folders. Click the name of an existing folder to open it. Or click New, then Folder to organize this file into a new folder. Type a name for the folder and click Create. Click the name of the new folder to open it. There are two ways to upload the file into the folder once you open it. The first is to make sure there are no files selected by unchecking all checked boxes. Then, click the Upload button. Decide if you are uploading an entire folder or a single or multiple files. For this example, I will choose Files because I am just uploading the one file I recently made. The Windows Explorer window opens, allowing you to navigate to your file. Select it and then click Open. The status of the uploaded file is displayed at the top right. If the file seems to be taking longer to upload than it should, click the Refresh button on your browser. This button is located in different locations depending on the browser you're using, but should look similar to this circular arrow. When the file is completely uploaded, the icon for the file should look like an application icon and not an animated clock that represents the file is still loading. Another way to upload the file is to position your browser window and your file so they are both visible on your monitor. This way, you can drag the file into the center of the file list. When you let go, the status of the uploaded file is displayed at the top right. Be sure that the file completes uploading before closing your browser, or the file may not be available from OneDrive. To edit a file that is currently saved on OneDrive within the Word client or other Office 365 program, navigate to the location the file is stored within. In this case, I will be editing a Word document, but this will work for any Office application that has an online equivalent like Excel or PowerPoint. Check the box next to the file name and click Open in Word. A message about opening an external application will appear. Click Launch Application. Word Client will open and display the file. You may be prompted that the file has been opened as read-only. Click the Edit Document button to begin making changes. You may be asked to enter your SVSU credentials. Enter them, and a temporary file will allow you to make changes to the online document directly. Be sure you are connected to a reliable network source, or your changes may not be uploaded correctly. Each time you click the Save button, the changes are made to the online file. Clicking the Save button will also download and sync changes that other authors have made to the document if it is a shared document. When finished making changes, close the document. The changes are available in OneDrive online. To edit a file that is currently saved on OneDrive within Word Online or other Office 365 online program, navigate to the location the file is stored in. Check the box next to the file name and click Open in Word Online. Begin making the necessary changes to the document. When working in the online version of Office 365 applications, all changes are saved automatically, but be sure to verify the changes have been saved before closing the document. Status is given in the top center of the application toolbar. Close the Document tab to return to the OneDrive. To download or edit a non-Office 365 type file that is stored on OneDrive, navigate to the location the file is stored within. Check the box next to the file name and click Download. The file is saved to your browser's download location, typically the Downloads folder or the desktop. You can open Windows Explorer to navigate to the file to make changes to it, or view the file on your desktop. Save the changes locally. You will then need to upload the file back into OneDrive to complete the changes. Those instructions are next. Finally, I will show you how to upload or save a non-Office 365 type file to OneDrive. These steps are the same as saving a Word document that was originally created within Word Client. There are two ways to upload a file into the folder once you open it. The first is to make sure there are no files selected by unchecking all the checked boxes. Then click the Upload button. Choose Files. The Windows Explorer window opens, allowing you to navigate to your file and select it. Choose the file and click Open. Confirm that the status of the file is Upload Complete, and that the icon for the file looks like an application icon and not an animated clock that represents the file is still loading. You can also position your browser window and your file so they are both visible on your monitor, and drag the file to the center of the file list. When you let go, the status of the uploaded file is displayed at the top right. In this case, it's telling me that one item wasn't uploaded. I'm going to click the error to see what the problem is. Because I downloaded this file, made changes, and saved it with the same name, it is telling me that a file with the name already exists. I need to decide if I would like to replace the existing file. In this case, I'm sure that the file I saved locally is the most current version, and I would like to replace the OneDrive version. Click Replace. Close the palette by clicking the X. Be sure that the file completes uploading before closing your browser, or the file may not be available from OneDrive.